We're now going to construct a triangle given lengths AB, AC, and an angle. So we're going to start by doing a sketch. AB is 9.4 cm, AC is 8.8 cm, and we are given angle BAC 46 degrees. You notice that there is a line that we can start with. So it is always common practice to start with a horizontal line, and this will be our AB, which is 9.4 cm. Following which, we follow the information from 9.4 upwards. We have 46 degrees. Okay, again, ensure that you are aligned to the line AB, and this is your 90. So since 46 degrees is acute, read from the inner angle. We'll extend this line long because we are going to use the compass to indicate 8.8. So instead of using the ruler, I will draw an arc at 8.8 cm. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring exactly from 0 to 8.8 on my ruler. So any arc that I draw will be exactly 8.8 cm, indicating the end point, which is C. So now that my C point has been revealed, I can connect C point to B point. So the next question is to measure the size of the size of the angle facing the longest side. So as you can see, my final BC line is smaller compared to the rest. So the largest is angle C. So I'm going to use the protractor to measure angle C. So again, this is 90, which means I am indicating an acute angle. I'll look at the first row of angles. So my answer is 72 degrees. Angle ACB facing the longer side is to 72 degrees. Now I'm asked to construct an angle bisector BAC such that it cuts BC. So recall angle bisector, one small arc and two big arcs. Again, place your needle at A, which is the angle I am bisecting. Create a small arc. Then after, put your needle at these two arc cuts. So stretch your arc a bit bigger so that you can crisscross. On one side, hold it there, same length on the other side, and then connect. So this is my angle bisector. So since there's a question has more parts to it, I will label this as part 2. Then I also need to measure and write down the length CS such that S is a point where the angle bisector cuts BC. So this is S. And go ahead to use my ruler to measure CS, which is 3.5.